I thought I'd share with you the utensils that I take with me pretty much on every journey and every trip. They don't weigh much combined together, but they're super versatile. Long-handled spork and spoon. I swapped out the normal length of spork and spoon a long time ago. So I found these are much better for me if you're digging around in packets or if you're into billy cans, etc. Having that extra length on there just stops your hands from getting all gunked up, and are well worth taking along. A fork. If you want to whisk some eggs, whisk up some packet potato or just about anything else really, a fork is bomb proof. You can't go wrong with a fork. A wooden spatula. This was originally a normal household spatula that I bought from a shop, I think for £1 or something like that. It wasn't very much at all, and all I did was cut it down and reshape it, and I've made it to the length that I want that fits in with my kit. And I much prefer using wood rather than plastic. I've had plastic spatulas before, and once you've used them a few times and they get hot in a frying pan, all the ends start melting away. And I much prefer the tactileness of a bit of wood. A pair of toast tongs. These are made out of bamboo. I bought these on a whim. I can't remember where, but I found these to be really useful. If you just want to turn items over, especially bacon or something like that, they just work really well. They weigh next to nothing. And these came with like a little magnet on there. So I guess if you want to hang it up on something that's metal, then you can hang them up as well. I find these to be really useful. And it's surprising when you've got something like this, the amount of things you actually find to do with it. A tin opener. This one's a US military one. It's made by Shelby. I really like these. They weigh next to nothing. You know, they go in your pack or wherever you want to go in your kit. And they're just really useful items to have. I tried the BCB ones before, and I think I tried another make as well, but it was absolutely useless. These just go on and last forever pretty much. It also means that you can buy tins in the supermarket without those fancy pull tabs on them, and they're usually much cheaper. My knife of choice is this Victorinox folding knife. Even when it's open, it's not really threatening in any way, is it? It's got a rounded tip. It looks like a butter knife. It weighs fairly little, and it's also razor sharp. Really easy to keep sharp as well. You can just strop it on a bit of leather a few times and it keeps a good edge. I really like this. It gives me the additional length for cutting vegetables. I used to use my Victorinox knife. This is off my Swiss Champ. I used to find that although it's very good, it's a bit dirty actually, it's a bit of a clean. Although it's very good, you just need that extra bit of length sometimes. Another useful item, I carry this with me all the time. It goes around in my pocket. This, I guess, you call it my everyday carry. It's this little Leatherman. And what it's got is a pair of scissors. Great for opening packets, great for cutting chilies, small items. I find that extremely handy to have around on my person. There's also scissors on my Swiss Army knife if I take that out, so that's another good option. I thought I'd talk about my lighter as it's well worth a mention. This is made by Soto. I think it's called a pocket blowtorch. You can tell from this it's seen better days. It's had a lot of use, but it still works as good as the day I bought it. Take the lock off. Absolutely brilliant piece of kit. It's great for lighting fires, lighting your gas stoves, etc. That extra lengthage keeps your hands well away from any flames. If you think that there's anything I've missed out that you take with you on a regular basis, then feel free to leave a comment